Something happened to me years ago that I never forgot. I submitted a project, setbacks verified, buffers checked, everything looked right, and it came back rejected. Not because I made a calculation error, because the municipality had amended that section 3 months earlier and Municode hadn't caught up yet. No one told me. There is no notification. That is just how Florida works. So, where does this hurt the most? Three places. The first is setbacks. A setback is not a fixed number that applies forever. It shifts based on zoning district, overlay, use type, sometimes even the specific street. If you are pulling a number from your last project in the same city or from a PDF you saved 2 years ago, you are assuming nothing changed. That assumption has a real cost. The second is density calculations, floor area ratios, unit counts, impervious surface limits. These are the numbers that decide whether a project is even buildable before the civil engineer opens the file. They are also among the most frequently amended provisions in any Florida land development code. One new ordinance, one new overlay district, and your feasibility analysis is already wrong before you start. The third one is the one nobody talks about, amendment tracking. Most professionals are working off whatever version of the code is on their screen from the last time they opened it. Municode updates on its own schedule. City websites are sometimes months behind. There is no centralized system that tells you what changed, when it changed, and which section it affects. That is exactly what I built. Land Codes connects directly to Florida code sources in real time. Every result you see is date verified. Every field is explicitly marked as confirmed, flagged, or red alert when the data simply does not exist in the public record. The platform never assumes. If something is unconfirmed, it tells you that, and it tells you exactly who to call. And the results come back organized, always in the same 17-section schema, regardless of municipality. Buffers and screening in Section 3, calculations and formulas in Section 9, permit process and timeline in Section 13. You never have to learn a new code structure. The structure is always the same. Right below your results, the platform generates your plan notes automatically. Copy them straight onto your drawings. Every note cites the exact code section your reviewer is going to check. No back and forth with planning, no last-minute corrections. A rejected permit is never just a rejected permit. It is another review cycle. It is 3 to 6 weeks added to your timeline. It is a hard conversation with your client, and it is a redesign fee you may not be able to recover. The first submission has to be right. Land Codes makes that possible. Try it free for 7 days at landcodes.com. No credit card required. Florida code in minutes, not hours.